Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to continue our discussion, and it's all about the practical formula. So this is the practical formula. So we can just use the formula to overcome our problem related to trapezoid rule. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. So I'm sorry for some technical problems. Okay. And the formula is shown by this arrow. So this is the formula. Okay. Okay, now uh, let's try to use this formula. Okay, now this is for our example. So this is the example. So yeah, using trapezoidal rule, and we have and our function is x to the power of 2, and then the n means we have 6 trapezoids. Okay, so we have 6 trapezoids here. Okay, now let's we construct our formula. So the formula, so we start from this a. So a is 0. So this is a. So this is 0, and then this is b. So b is 3, and then this is fx. So our fx is x to the power of 2 to x. Okay. Uh, to x. Okay. After we have this session, we jump to this session. Delta x. Okay. Just write down our delta x divided by 2, and then f x0 plus 2 fx1 plus 2 fx uh, 1 2, and then plus I continue on this plus 2 fx3 plus 2 fx4 plus um, 2 fx5 and plus f, not plus 2f but only f plus x6. Okay, so because x is our final x, so it's not multiplied by 2, only the second, only the x1. So only the x1 until x n minus 1. Okay, who multiplied by 2. Okay, so okay, but for the x0 and x final, okay, uh not multiplied by 2. Okay. Okay, so this is our formula, and now we are going to find the value of delta x. Okay, I will bring here. Okay, now if we are going to find the value of delta x, so the delta x will be here. So this is the delta x, p minus a. So our p is 3 minus a. Our a is 0. Sorry, 0, and then divided by n. Our n is 6. So our delta x is 3 6 or equals to a half. Okay, so this is for our delta x. Okay, because we have fx0, fx1 until fx6, then we have to find the value of every fx. Okay, let's move to okay here. Okay, our line, our line, no, our line function is fx equals to x to the power of 2. So the fx0 equal to f0. So why this 0? We start from because we start from 0, yeah, because we start from uh, 0 until 3. So 0 is the initial condition, and then and 3 is the final condition. So the x0, the x0 is equals to 0 because this is 0, yeah, because this is 0, and then x6, which is our final x, will be equal to 3. So this is the value of a, and this is the value of p. Okay, this is 3, and then this is 3. Okay, so we go back to okay here. So we start from 0. So the fx equal to 0, then it must be 0 to the power of 2, and it will 0. Okay, this is for the fx. fx1. Okay, okay, because our delta x is a half. Okay, so this is our delta. So 0 plus a half, so it will be a half. Okay, so because our delta x is because our delta x equals to a half, then from 0 to next x, the delta is a half, so we use f a half, so it will be, and I get yeah, okay, and then fx2 f a half, so 1. Okay, so 1 to the power of 2 be 1. Okay, and then fx to the power fx 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3, so it will be 1 and okay, so it must be 1.5 5. So I don't know the okay, wait a minute, I'll try to use calculator. uh, Calculator, which one is the calculator? Okay, this is our calculator. Okay, 1.5 times 1.5, then we get okay 2.25, and then fx4 f 2. Okay, so it must be 2 to the power of 2, then it will, and we get 4. Yep, and then fifth x 2.5, 2.5, so 2.5. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay. 2.5 times 2.5, then okay, 6.25, 6.25, and then the last value of our fx, as x6 is our last x, so it must be f3. Okay, this point, so 3 to the power of 2, then we get 9. Okay, so we already get all of our fx value, so I will remove this calculator first. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we go back to our formula. So okay, I will copy first. Yeah, okay, wait a minute. Yeah, so okay, okay, yeah. Okay. So 0 to 3, the integration of 0 to 3 x to the power of 2 to x, delta x, our value of delta x, a half. Okay, so this is a half. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a half divided by 2 fx0. So yeah, fx0 equal to 0. Yeah, plus 2 fx1. Fx1 is 1/4, and then plus 2 fx2. Fx2 is 1, plus again 2 fx. This is 0, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, fx3. Fx3. Which value of fx3? Fx3 2.25. Okay, 2.25. Okay, plus x4. X4 is 4, plus 2 times x5. Okay, our x5 is 6.25, 6.25, and then plus, okay, this is 3, and then this is 4, this is 5, so this is x, only fx6. You don't have to add to multiply the final x with the number with 2, so it's only fx6, so our fx6 is 9. Okay, so we got this 9. Okay, okay, so you can just do your calculation. Then from this calculation, you can use your calculator, so you can get easier calculation, and you will get wait a minute, um, and you will get 7 73 eighths, or it is equal to 9 point. Okay, let's take check it before. Okay, let's check it using our where is our calculator? Okay, so 73 divided by 8. Okay, so we get yeah. So this is the um, I'll remove this first. Yeah, so we get our calculation today. So using numerical method, we can find the value of this, and then the result is okay by using numerical method. Yep. Okay. Thank you for your attention. We are next to other topic.